A good dip can take any snack to the next level, and these 3 easy high-protein dips do exactly that. They're creamy, flavorful, and easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. First up, a buffalo chicken dip that's creamy, spicy, and packed with protein. In a bowl, combine shredded chicken, Greek yogurt, blended cottage cheese, buffalo sauce, garlic powder, shredded cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix that all together, transfer it to an oven-safe baking dish, then sprinkle with a little more cheese on top. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then garnish with chopped green onions. Next, a high-protein French onion dip that's rich, savory, and packed with flavor. In a pan over medium-low heat, add olive oil, diced onions, and a sprinkle of salt. Cook that down for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're golden and caramelized. In a bowl, mix Greek yogurt with blended cottage cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin, Worcestershire sauce, balsamic vinegar, and your caramelized onions. Mix that well, then let the dip chill for about 15 to 30 minutes before serving. Lastly, we're making a protein-packed guacamole dip with the same creamy texture but more protein. To a bowl, add 1 ripe avocado, shelled edamame and mashed white beans for extra protein, Greek yogurt, blended cottage cheese, lime juice, diced tomatoes, diced red onion, fresh cilantro, garlic powder, cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix that all together, then serve and garnish with extra cilantro. And that's it! 3 high-protein dips that are quick, easy, and actually satisfying. All of these pair perfectly with our crispy air fryer sweet potato chips, so if you missed that recipe, we'll link it down below. Don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.